Hello everyone, Brett Wesley here, and let's talk about business concepts and way business is working these days in the world. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe below and hit that notification button. I look at business in many different ways. I look at the concepts of business that are happening. They say, well, politics and business don't go hand in hand. Yes, they do. Business trends are dependent on how politics go in a country or around the world. If politicians are friendly to business, people, then businesses grow. People have money to spend. Businesses grow. Businesses have money. But if government becomes a burdensome to business, like overtaxation, overregulation, businesses go down. Then the businesses go down, they don't employ as many employees. If the businesses go down, they shut their doors. Like with the pandemic, that they are still pushing so damn hard. You'll see restaurants over 45% today are closing permanently because of this crap. They're using the pandemic as a crutch. See, that's business concept. Now, the stock market does good, your business does good. You capitalize on things. They go hand in hand in the way that you see growth. You'll see your business might be looking like you're way down this year, okay? It's now almost the end of July, and the figures are looking kind of down. I'm looking at this like from a retail side, okay? Just in case you guys are wondering. If you have a brick and mortar, I mean. Okay, if the businesses are down, well, okay, you look at 2020 and you go, oh my God, the world's falling. Well, what happened in 2020? We had a pandemic. What happened in June of last year through the end of last year? Oh, like in the United States, the people got a stimulus check, couple $1,000s per person. Don't even ask how much per child. That's $1,200. People have money to spend. They went and blew the shit out of it. Some were so smart and wise to put it toward their businesses, and they also put it toward bills. The rest just went ape shit and spent it. Plus, in the United States, the federal government gave extra money to all the states for unemployment insurance. Well, that unemployment comes out of your check, and that's due you when you become unemployed. But to throw another extra $300 per person on it made things go crazy. So business went up. But if you look at what went on in 2019, you're relatively the same. Because people here in the United States are not getting that extra money. Come next month, a lot of the states are going to cut off the extra $200 that are being thrown at food stamps. So they're going to need to get out and work again. They're not going to have as much to spend. Consumer spending is going to go back down. But here's the thing you don't realize. When you look at the figures of now and you look at 2019, you say, my God, that's really not that bad. Because last year was a fluke. How can the majority of the United States be closed for 2 whole months, 60 days, and every damn business go ahead? That's because they figured out that there's extra money for us to blow. And we did. People did. Other businesses, restaurants suffered. And they suffered greatly. And I don't know how the restaurants are going to survive. But the two go hand in hand. And that's the way the market flows. So with that, look at your concepts of what's going on in business. Pay attention to the business rags out there like Barron's, Wall Street Journal, Kiplinger, Morning Star. See what other companies are doing. Pay attention to Entrepreneur Magazine. See what's going on with entrepreneurs. Pay attention to what online entrepreneurs are doing, especially the ones that have made it and they're only in their young 30s. See what they're doing. See how their world has changed. See how it's becoming better or lesser. And with that, be sure to like, share, and subscribe below. Hit the punch of that notification button. I'll talk to you later.